It's been very rewarding being here in Long Island and speaking with persons in the community. There's definitely an interest in, what the digital financial services platforms have to offer. And it's also very insightful to understand some of the on the ground challenges that the community has. And I think it's important to see how we incorporate them in terms of the access to banking and payment services.
For business owners, you want more transactions. You want to be able to reach as many customers as you can. Therefore, you have to embrace the digital revolution with payments. If you're considering about some options, definitely follow through on that and make it happen. Download any mobile app and get started with digital payments today.